This is the Jack Pyke Pro-Lite hunter's jacket. It's Jack Pyke's most technical jacket and most lightweight jacket. I sort of use it every day. It's really useful because it's super lightweight. It's an outer layer. It doesn't give a lot of warmth, so you'd always wear it over a fleece or a down jacket in the winter. But in the summer, it's just a really nice sort of waterproof windbreaker that's super packable as well. You can just take it off, roll it up, stick it in a rucksack, jam it into its own pocket and just carry it really easily. Layering is really important to me. I'm never sitting in a high seat where you're going to say, I'll just bring one big warm waterproof jacket. So for me, I only wear a waterproof layer if it's actually raining. Other than that, I'm just trying to be as breathable as possible. And this actually is reasonably breathable. It's 5,000 breathability, 10,000 waterproofness, which isn't totally waterproof. That's worth remembering. Nothing breathable is going to be totally waterproof. And the more expensive the material is, usually then the more breathable and waterproofing it is. But at this price point, it's a fantastic jacket. Reasonably breathable, reasonably waterproof, super lightweight, very comfortable, lots of movement, lots of really good features. Good pockets, really good pockets on the outside, bellow pockets here, 2 internal zip pockets, adjustable hood, which is really important for what I do. When you're hunting and you're trying to look around in all directions, you don't want a hood that's going to obscure your vision. This hood is adjustable on the sides and on the back. You can pull it back on a little elastic tab to pull it back out of your eyes, so you've got really good peripheral vision. It's not a waterproof zip, but it has this tab that folds over and velcros on. Popper closing top and bottom just to totally secure it. But inside you see the 2 pockets. And another thing I like about this full zip system, if you are too warm, you can just open it right up. You can dump as much heat as you want. The zip is 2-way, so if you want to just open it from the bottom to get into inside pockets, it's not a problem. And if you want to sit down, you can just give yourself that little bit of extra movement to sit down. It's excellent. If you're hunting in the morning, you can just chuck it in the back of your truck. I like to hang it on the back of the driver's seat, and 1-2 hours later, it's dry enough to go again. It doesn't get heavy, it doesn't soak in lots of water. Just give it a shake, hang it up for an hour or 2, and it's bone dry, ready to go again. Just super bit of kit.